So in the last videos, we have seen a basic C program and a C program that uses multiple statements. So here you can see on the screen the C program which we have seen in the last classes or videos. So here we have used multiple statements like only two, but more than one statement we have used here. Statements are separated from each other using the semicolon. And this is a very simple C program that uses only printf statements which prints on output screen. So here the first line includes the standard input output header file, which contains the input and output functions, predefined functions, which can be used in program after including it. And then we have the main function, which is the starting point of execution. It is starting point because whenever we execute program, the compiler will search for main function, and whatever statements are present in it, only those statements are executed. And then we started this main function with curly bracket, opening curly bracket, ended with closing curly bracket. So opening and closing of functions is very important. If you don't give any bracket, that also will create an error in your C program. So the first statement is printf, open and close the parenthesis. Within parenthesis, we have a string hello. And hello, after hello, we have written this /n, which is nothing but an escape sequence which moves the cursor to new line. So after printing hello, /n will move the cursor to new line. And then again it prints welcome. So when I execute this, I get the output in this manner. Hello is printed, /n moves the cursor to new line, and then welcome is printed. So now let's see how to use scanf. So scanf is used for taking user input in the C program. So now to use scanf, first I'll be declaring a variable. Variable is nothing but name given to data. So I'm here declaring a variable int id. So more about variables we will be learning separately in a separate video or session. So here int id equal to 90, I have declared a variable. So variable here is id, the data value is 90, it is of type integer. Now I want to print this variable. So for printing, what type of variable it is, that format specifier we need to give. So format specifier for integer type of variable is %d. And what should be printed in place of %d is given after comma. So we separate this string with a comma from the variable. So variable here is id. So id will be printed along with hello. So let's first check it, compile it, 0 errors. So now run it. Along with hello, we are going to get the id value. So this is how variable is printed in a C program. So %d is nothing but format specifier. So about format specifiers also we will be covering in separate session. So here I'm just giving an example how to use scanf. So already we have 90 as the value. Now suppose you want id value from user, then you can ask the user to enter id like this. So when we give a message to user enter id, user will type in some id value that can be taken into program using scanf. So while using scanf also, we use the format specifier. So what type of data the user is entering, that is scanned using this %d and then comma, and then we mention the variable address. So address of operator, which is nothing but and symbol, ampersand symbol, along with the variable name. So this statement is going to scan the integer type of data and take in the program, and then it assigns to the address of id whatever value the user will type in. Now the same let's print using this same statement. So I'm copying this statement and pasting here. You can see same statement. So here it prints 90, which is the initial value which we have given at variable declaration time. And then we have taken again from user the ID value. So let's see. First compile it. Whenever you do changes to your program, you need to compile it and then run it. So enter ID. First it has printed 90 along with hello, then enter ID. So I'm giving 95. Now it will print hello 95. So with this program, we can see whatever variable we are using in program, for that variable, we can give the value at the time of declaration. Also, we can take it from user. Also, we can modify the variable value throughout the program. So initially, the variable value was 90. Later, it was modified to user given value. So variable value can vary or can be modified throughout the C program. And without initializing, without assigning any value also, this way you can declare the variable. So at that time here you don't have anything to print. So directly from user we will be taking. So whenever you make changes, compile it, then run it. So enter ID 85, hello 85. So we did not get this printed. So if I uncomment, comment, hello 0. So 0 will be the default value for integers when we are not initializing at the time of declaration. So now 81, hello 80. So this way variable can be printed and variable value can be taken from user using scanf. So this is an example for scanf and printf, also for a variable, but variable in detail we will be seeing separately. So thank you for watching video and please do subscribe channel for more on C and C with DSA concepts. Thank you.